seniors, and parents. Do you need a plan? WVJC has options. West Virginia Junior College, with campuses in Morgantown, Bridgeport, Charleston, and online, offers customizable career training options that allow your education to fit with your life. In less than 2 years, with our accelerated and flexible training program, you can be experiencing a rewarding new career and enjoying the benefits of a whole new, more valuable you. WVJC follows an easy 5-step process. Step 1, learn. Your education begins with classroom instruction designed to teach you the skills you're going to need in your new career. Step 2, practice. Reinforce your classroom lessons during hands-on, interactive lab sessions. Step 3, apply. Apply your skills in a real-world environment with an externship opportunity. Step 4, earn. Prepare for industry-specific certifications in your field of study. Step 5, start. Begin your professional journey with the help of our Career Services Department. Learn more about the exciting opportunities waiting for you at WVJC. Complete the form to speak to one of our admissions advisors to schedule a campus or virtual tour today.